Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to log into Instagram using Facebook. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to our main menu here. Then just scroll down and let's go to settings and privacy. Then let's go to settings. And here on settings just go to Meta Account Center. Then here just go to logging in with accounts. And you can see that we have logged in accounts, different accounts. Now let's back and let's go to connect experience. Let's go to more experiences and then let's go to add accounts. Here on add accounts you can add whatever account you prefer. As you can see, it's Instagram. Just write your phone number, username or email, as well as your password. Then you can start logging in Instagram and now you can use it across Facebook. So that is how it works. I hope this helps you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.